Transport for London awards new cleaning contract to Mitie.
Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos.
TfL has appointed Mitie to a 5-year contract to manage cleaning, waste collection and pest control across the transport network, head offices and the London Transport Museum. The contract will be supported by a team of over 2,000 colleagues delivering data-driven services and intelligence-led cleaning. The partnership includes a £400,000 annual investment in social enterprises and apprenticeships while supporting TfL's 2030 net zero carbon goal. A new TfL Cleaning Centre of Excellence will be established to trial new technologies and monitor real-time data to boost productivity. A dedicated 24/7 specialist unit will be formed specifically to tackle the ongoing challenge of graffiti across the fleet. All staff are guaranteed at least the London living wage, enhanced sick pay and living hours contracts to ensure employment stability. Workers will receive comprehensive benefits including a 24/7 online GP service, life assurance and free travel concessions for those on lower pay scales. TfL will collaborate with Mitie and trade unions on a pilot program to assess the feasibility and requirements of bringing these services in-house in the future. The success of the pilot will be measured against safety, cost, environmental impact, and customer satisfaction survey scores. Patrick Doig, Director of Group Procurement and Contracts at TfL, said following a competitive tendering process, "We are delighted to award Mitie a new 5-year contract for the provision of cleaning and associated services on TfL services." Mayor of London, Sadiq Khan, said, "I'm delighted that TfL has committed to a comprehensive pilot exploring how they could deliver affordable cleaning services in-house, as I have long championed insourcing where possible." Jason Taus, Managing Director for Business Services at Mitie, said this contract builds on the long-standing partnership between Mitie and TfL, following the successful delivery of security services since 2017, and more recently engineering maintenance support across TfL's key head office locations, major transport hubs, and the London Transport Museum. To learn more, read the full article in our Contract Wins category. Read more at TWinFM.com.